Evolution is what allowed us humans to go from bacteria to conscious living beings. It was first theorized by British naturalist Charles Darwin, who published The Revolutionary Origin of Species in 1859. So how does it work? In a nutshell, evolution is what allows a being to adapt to its surroundings. For example, a green grasshopper would survive best in a green environment, like grass plains. Imagine two species living in a desert. One of them is dark and furry, and the other one is camouflaged like the sand. There is also a dangerous predator flying above them, and it's hungry. It quickly notices the dark furry animal and flies towards it. The prey doesn't stand a chance. So what if the dark furry animal was born to have fur which blended in with the sand? The previous creatures all died out, and this is the product of evolution. So how did it change the color of its fur? Well, it's because of genes or DNA. DNA is like the blueprint of life. If you take a being and change the instructions, you change the being itself. This can be done artificially in a few ways, like with radiation or with a special type of gene edit called CRISPR. We'll talk more about CRISPR in another video because it's extremely complicated. So the creature manages to change the color of its fur, but it also might be able to run away or fly away, like the sparrow or kangaroo. Genes are passed on for generations, from the old and grown up, to the ones who are just born, and to the ones that are yet to be born. An example of evolution was when some finches were blown over to the Galapagos Islands by a tropical storm. The Galapagos Islands were also where Darwin conducted most of his studies in 1835. The finches were very lucky indeed. An abundance of food and almost no predators. This let them reproduce rapidly, and rapidly by the thousands every month. This made them diversify into two different species, the worm diggers and the seed crackers. The species became so diverse that they could no longer reproduce with each other. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll come back with a new one soon.